Bye, Skipper Faye. Santa knows what you did. Wait, this one? Right here, this crate? Okay, let's take a look-see over here. Oh my goodness, Skipper Faye! That was naughty, man. Anyways, folks, welcome aboard the world-famous Jingle Cruise. Oh, wait, I'm sorry, I meant Jingle Cruise. That was my first Noel. But anyways, folks, my name is Anna. I'll be your skipper, your ho-ho hostess, and your secret Santa. Oh, wait, you weren't supposed to know that. Erase that from your brain right now. Poof, it's gone. Now, well, it's gone again. There we go. Now, to increase your chances of survival, just remain seated our whole trip, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Now, parents, watch your children, because if you don't, well, Santa, he's always watching. Always. Now, folks around us, you're going to see these large insects, some over there and some over there. We like to call those guys humbugs. And if you listen close enough, you can actually hear their call up. Why don't we all take a listen together, shall we? Ah! Whoa! The humbugs! How festive is that? Anyways, we're traveling on the Amazon River in the Amazon rainforest. And did you all know that this is Santa's favorite part of the jungle because of all the rain? Dear. Anyways, to our left over here, that is Inspiration Balls. Now, a lot of people do ask me, Skipper Anna, why do you call it Inspiration Balls? Why? Thank you. Nice list for all who answered. It actually inspires you to go. Oh, carol like that is Jingle Cruise, maybe not today. No? Anyways, we're now on the Congo River, so let's see how far we can go. Okay. Now, folks, I put together a Pygmy Holiday Beach Party. It's going to be tons of fun right over here. Oh, my goodness, it was there. It kind of reminds me of my 16th birthday party. Yeah. But you know what, folks, I think I did spot what I got for Christmas. Canoe. Yeah, guys, that one hurt me too. Yeah. But anyways, did someone ask for an old tree for Christmas? Because look, it is all wrapped up with a boa on top. I mean, how precious is that? And folks, if you don't mind, we're stop at my camp. We're going to pick up some presents, some eggnog, you know, the whole shebang over here. Oh, reminds me of Christmas back home with the family. But you know what, guys? I couldn't get my Jeep started earlier. Looks like they got it to turn over for me. Right. You know, they must have used a monkey wrench or something. Now, folks, I'm not going to lie to you. The jokes, well, they're only going to get worse from here, okay? Just being honest. But anyways, we're now traveling on the longest river of the world, the Nile River. And you see, it goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in. Oh, disbelief, but I like the participation. Now, folks, on the left, that is an African bull elephant, but he looks a little spooked. I wonder what could have scared him. Oh, my goodness, it is the most feared creature. His mother-in-law. Yes, known to stop by unexpected during the holiday season. And to our right over here, one of our older attractions. Yes, it's Jingle Bell Rock. And a lot of people do take it for granted. Also on the right over here, we have this African belt. And if you look up there, you're going to see some long-necked cheetahs. Yes, the animal that killed Mufasa. We have some retired reindeer. I'm sorry, 20 years too soon, 20 years still, man. Anyway, so we also have some zebras, some vultures, and oh, how sweet. You so folks see that family of lions. Yeah, they invite that zebra over for Christmas dinner. Oh, no, kids, don't worry. He's just pretending to sleep. Yeah, he doesn't want to talk to those extended family members, if you know what I mean. Let's move on. We'll let him rest in peace. Or pieces. Oh, my goodness. Okay, folks, life lesson over here. Never give a fruitcake to a rhino for Christmas. Yeah, let me tell you, I tried to warn those guys, but I think they'll get the points. In the end. Yeah. You know, I would not want to be the low man on that totem pole. I mean, would you guys? No way. Now, folks, at this point in our cruise, I'm going to take the time to sing my favorite Christmas carol, Silent Night. Thank you for that video applause, sir. Thank you. Anyways, folks, up ahead is the only thing not frozen here at Walt Disney World. It's the beautiful Schweitzer Falls named after Dr. Snow Falls. Uh-oh, I don't think we're going to make the turn. Okay, everyone, lean right. We're not going to make it. Oh, my goodness. For a moment there, I thought we were going to deck the falls with folks. I'm hauling. No. I thought we'd be better at this by now. Anyways, holiday travel can be tough, but guess what? I got half off airfare. Looks like the plane got grounded again. Typical. But anyways, folks, for as long as I've been out in the jungle, you can start to sense some, well, danger, and the danger that usually means hippos. Oh boy, take a look at these guys. They look like hungry hippos. I gotta be more specific on my Christmas list next year. But as you can see, a lot of them do try to stay under the water, and that's because with all the cold weather during the holidays, well, they don't want to catch hippothermia, that's for sure. Now, folks, it does turn out that we are headed into headhunter territory, which is not a great place to, well, be headed. Now, folks, coming up on the right, well, those are the members of my last crew. That's right, princesses. They didn't believe. We also do have, wait, hold on, three drummers jumping. I'm so sorry, guys, we booked 12, and those two aren't even trying over there. Really, guys? Come on, where's your Christmas spirit? Oh, no, Christmas carolers! Okay, folks, toss out that piggy pudding, because they're not going to go till they get some. They won't go till they get some. Oh, well, they must have got some Christmas miracle right there. Alrighty, folks, now up ahead, it's the moment you all have been waiting for. Prepare yourselves, because here it is, the wonder of the world, the backside of water! Yes, a little ode to age. Now, did anyone feel any mist? Well, those are those 425 different types of bacteria seeping into your pores. Refreshing, right? Yeah, moving on. But anyways, folks, we're now traveling on the Mekong River, which is in Southeast Asia. And, folks, do you see those packages on the right? Now, guys, if I am not mistaken, it looks like we have come upon Santa's workshop. Santa, I know him, but, looks a little spookier than I expected. Oh, guys, I don't know. Should we go for it?
Yes.
Yeah. So 5 of you. The rest of you, well, you don't have a choice. Alrighty, folks. Well, you better watch out. I better not cry. I hope we don't die. Now, did you guys bring your autograph books today? No, that's perfect. That's Tigger right there. We don't do refunds, so, oh well. Anyways, folks, so it looks like we have come upon an Indian elephant bathing pool. Now, feel free to take lots and lots of pictures, because I checked, they all have their trunks on. Aww. But, guys, I do have to warn you, it's cold and flu season here. If you think that's water coming out of their trunks, well, it's not. Yeah, it's really snot. That's why the water's that color. Anyways, folks, I think I actually recognize some of these festive holiday plants over here. Okay, let me see if I can name them. Okay, over there, that is Dasher, and Dancer, and Prancer, and Vixen. Now, we also do have, let me see, we have Comet, and Cupid, and Donner, and Blitzen. But, folks, you know, I think I am forgetting the most famous plant of all. Do you guys know the name of that one back over there? Rudolph. Very good try. It's actually a fern, but good try. Now, folks, no trip would be quite complete without visiting our head salesman over here, Trader Sam. Yeah, his inventory, it has been shrinking lately, but he does have quite the holiday special for you. Get this, only 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Any takers, anyone? I mean, force volunteers work too. You did perfect, Princess, and since you acted now, he might even throw in a partridge in a pear tree. I mean, how festive is that? But anyways, folks, anyway you slice it or dice it, you do come out well ahead. Right. Really a cutthroat deal, if you think about it. But anyways, folks, looks like we are approaching the most dangerous part of our holiday journey. The end. So make sure you remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside boat at all times, till those skips say it's okay to come ashore. And folks, after a cruise like that, you know, there's only one thing left to say. That my parents, well, they told me on December 26th of last year. You see, they sat me down. They looked me dead in the eye and said, Skipper Anna. You see, first name Skipper, last name Anna. Yeah, on holidays, well, they're over, so, get out. I'm sorry, that was rude. Please, get out. Everybody stand up, please stand up all at once. It's like